Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping like a pro. Measure ingredients, arrange tools, and clear your surface so nothing blocks the camera. Once done, position your phone vertical for shots, use natural light angled at about 45 degrees, and lock exposure. Begin with one decisive action, pouring batter or a crisp chop, because that first frame hooks viewers. Make sure to capture that motion at 60 or 120 FPS if you plan slow-mo. It creates a visually pleasing immediate payoff. Once you have the opening, continue by pacing the middle. Film each essential action in short clips so viewers follow the sequence. You should alternate close-ups, overhead, and 45-degree angles to maintain visual interest. Switch shots every 1 to 2 seconds for rhythm. While cooking, narrate succinctly. Explain why you add salt now and what texture to look for. Then grab ambient sounds like sizzling to enhance realism. Make sure clips are framed consistently, so cuts feel intentional and seamless. You finish by plating and showing the final bite, then edit with purpose. Tighten clips to 15-60 seconds, add captions for silent viewers, and match cuts to music beats for flow. Explain why you reduced heat or rested the dish. That teaches viewers a repeatable outcome. Once done, export with high bitrate and upload with a punchy title and one-line call to action. If something goes wrong, like blown exposure, reshoot brief cutaways or fix color and reinsert. It saves the whole short.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.